Now the good news is that comfort with unfamiliar formats compounds. Every chart type you properly understand, even once, is one less thing that can slow you down on test day. You're not memorizing, you're building a library of reading rules that applies to any question in that format. This is a tool we've built at GMATPoint specifically for this gap. It's called the Data Insights Visual Library, and the idea is simple. Before you grind through hundreds of practice questions, spend some time here first. It covers 40 chart types across 14 categories. Everything from the familiar formats you've already seen to the ones that tend to catch people off guard. You can filter by category. So if you've been noticing that you're slow on correlation type questions, scatter plots, bubble charts, you can go straight there. Each chart card has 3 tabs. Description tells you exactly what the chart is and how it's structured. Use cases gives you the real world context it usually appears in. And GMAT relevance tells you specifically what the exam tests with this format, what reading skills it requires, what traps it typically sets. Now below that, there's an interactive visualization rendered from realistic sample data. You can hover over data points and explore the values. While this is a format you might not actually see on test day, interactivity during the learning phase goes a long way in retaining concepts. And then there's a practice question in authentic GMAT fill in the blank format. Commit to your answer using the drop downs. And when you check, you get a 3-part explanation: how to read this chart type, what the question was actually testing, and a full worked solution. Not just the answer, but the actual reasoning chain. And if you have any queries regarding that specific chart or the explanation, you can always turn to our AI assistant for clarification. The link to the Data Insights Visual Library is in the description. A good chunk of it is free to explore. If you found this useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.